How's it, beautiful people? Tube District here again with a great tube review. Now, ladies, are you in the market for a beautiful vanilla, caramel, honey, almond, and leathery fragrance? Then Teriak for Women is for you. Great bottle. You'll see in the opening as well. Beautiful, beautiful bottle. The spray on this, magnificent, and of course, the smell. Now, Teriak for Women is close to a gourmand, thick vanilla, caramelly fragrance, leathery downtones with beautiful rose and rhubarb notes to it. Beautiful all-round ladies fragrance. I would suggest definitely doing this as a blind buy. You will not go wrong at all. Now, Teriak for Women is a stunning fragrance with beautiful projection and a longevity of 7 hours easily. Smell, magnificent. Rating, 8 out of 10. Definitely 8 out of 10. Beautiful, stunning fragrance. I would definitely look at this instead of the OG, which is JPG, Jean Paul Gaultier, La Belle. And this, at a fraction of the price, you can smell exactly the same. So, for your next compliment, please follow, like, and share Tube District.